In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Spotlight in Microsoft Teams meetings. If you want to make sure one specific person stays front and center for everyone in a meeting, the Spotlight feature is exactly what you need. This is especially useful during presentations, training sessions, announcements, or anytime you want attendees to focus on a particular speaker instead of the view changing automatically. To get started, make sure you are already inside a Microsoft Teams meeting or call. Spotlight is something you use during the live meeting itself, so once the meeting is open and participants have joined, you can begin. Next, look for the People option in the meeting controls and click on it. This opens the participant list, where you can see everyone currently in the meeting. If you're trying to spotlight someone, this panel is where you'll select them. Once the People panel is open, find the participant you want to highlight. Then, hover your mouse over that person's name. When you do, you should see additional options appear. Click the three dots next to their name to open the More Actions menu. This menu gives you extra controls for managing that participant during the meeting. From that menu, click Spotlight for everyone. As soon as you select it, that participant's video will be emphasized for all meeting attendees. In other words, everyone in the meeting will be guided to focus on that person's video feed, which can be very helpful when one speaker needs to stay visible throughout the session. A useful tip to keep in mind is that Spotlight is different from simply pinning someone. Pinning only changes your own view, while Spotlight affects the layout for everyone in the meeting. So if your goal is to direct the attention of the whole audience, Spotlight is the right option to use. Also, this works best when the participant has their camera on, since Spotlight is designed to highlight their video presence during the meeting. If you're organizing a formal presentation or leading a class, it's a good idea to decide in advance who should be spotlighted so the transition feels smooth. And that's all it takes to use Spotlight in Microsoft Teams meetings. Open the People panel, hover over the participant, click the three dots, and choose Spotlight for everyone. It's a simple feature, but it can make meetings much more organized and easier to follow.